I have something for my desktop, and it's including something that people don't know. It's an ergonomical actual mouse pad that we're gonna set up in here. I actually had a flat one, and when I'm gaming, my hands started restraining actually, and I'm getting old. I'm getting to that age where, you know, fast moves are not as agile as it used to be before. Now we're gonna open it up and see what we get. First of all, they give you memory foam silicone base in there. Let's open it up and see how it looks. Mouse pad, if you guys can see it, it's like for your armrest, right? Change it around however you want, left or right, the higher motion, lower motion. Now on the bottom, look at this. This is the silicone base that you have to remove. You have to actually, this is kind of like a, it won't move, it kind of sticks to any kind of surfaces. It's not sticky, but it's not even adhesive or anything like that, but it just grabs onto anything and it won't budge as much as you'd want it to, and you could just remove it easy. All right, this right here is a memory foam. It has memory foam in there, silicone base in the bottom, so it could it acts like adhesive to any kind of surfaces that's flat surfaces. It could be glass, wood, or anything like this, like certain kind of structures that you have. So this one sticks to it. If you notice, look at that, simple, sticks to it, and then you could arrange it however you want. So this is how the mouse pad works. If you're comfortable, you could just leave the mouse on the top, rest your wrist. You don't have to really move anything. You could just completely do this, or you could just put it on the top and rest even more of your hand. But I like it this way. It's easier. You can see the mouse moving, and no speeds necessary. I could just, you know, enjoy myself. This is compatible with any kind of mouse that you have. If you have a rolling wheel, an older mouse, you'll be able to work it out easy too. So easy to use. As you can see, it works on pretty much on any surfaces. If you want the larger area, you could just flip it around. But I actually found this very comfortable here, where actually I rest more on my actual arm, and then my wrist has less of a stress, and very ergonomical, if you guys can see that. And I don't really have to strain too much. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.